In this video, I'm going to explain to you that which makes alloys have more desirable properties than pure substances. So, we defined the definition of an alloy, and we say that the definition of an alloy is a mixture of more than two substances. So, when two pure substances are mixed together, or when two or more pure substances are mixed together, we come up with an alloy. So now, let us look at what causes the property changes in an alloy. So first of all, we are going to look at the particle arrangement in a pure substance. So if you look at the top diagram, which is in blue, this is how particles are arranged in iron. So in iron, particles are arranged in form of layers. That is why one layer of an iron is able to slide over the other layer. It is because of the uniform arrangement that the particles are in. So the fact that the particles in pure iron are arranged in layers or are arranged in a uniform order, that makes pure iron weak, in the sense that either, if you look at this top layer of particles, it can slide over the bottom layer. So this one can slide in that direction, and this one can slide in that direction. And that alone, it is a weakness. The fact of being arranged in a uniform order, it is a weakness. You can take, for example, if people are standing in a straight line, if people are standing in straight lines, it is easy to go through them because you can simply walk in between the straight line. Now, the diagram below shows an alloy, and this alloy is steel. Steel is an alloy when iron is mixed with carbon. So, what you see in black is a particle of a pure iron, and what you see in green is a particle of carbon. Okay, so now this becomes an alloy. Now, when the two are melted, mixed together, and brought to solidify, the particle content will be arranged like this. So this arrangement is not in uniform order. This arrangement is random. Now, this causes, or this stops pure particles from sliding over one another, because there is a random arrangement. They are mixed together. The particles of the pure substances are mixed together and randomly distributed around the final material which has solidified. And then this gives them a strength of toughness. This gives them a strength of hardness. So steel becomes hard. Steel becomes tough. And this is how steel becomes the suitable material in construction of tall buildings, in construction of bridges, and other engineering construction. So you must remember that the change of property is achieved by the random arrangement. The change of property in an alloy is achieved by the random arrangement and random mixture of the pure substances that were mixed together, the particles of the pure substances that were mixed together. And remember, in this topic, you must be able to remember the definition of an alloy. You must remember to give examples of alloys. You must remember to give practical examples where alloys are being put to good use, like when aluminium and magnesium, aluminium and copper, aluminium and zinc is mixed together to make bodies of aeroplanes. Tin and copper is mixed to make bronze, and bronze is used to make tools as well as military hardware. So I want you to remember all this, and I want you to research more information on the subject of alloys. Know more on alloys and know more examples of alloys. So good luck in your science.